All right, it's Ozigwaakominag here again with, I just thought of something here. The difference when you're eating blueberries or Saskatoons, because one is inanimate and the other one is animate in our language. So I'll start off with miin. Miinan is the plural. Blueberries. Inanimate. Nigii-amwaag. So it's inanimate. So you have to use the word miijin, which is a transitive of inanimate to eat something inanimate. Nigii-miijinan, miinan Biijinaago. So what I said is I ate blueberries yesterday. Because miijin is you're just eating one inanimate object, but that extra miijin is you're saying that you're eating inanimate plural. So that's how that works. And gi is past tense. Ni is neen, meaning that I'm performing the action in the first person. And that's a transitive inanimate, independent form. The other one is transitive inanimate, transitive animate. All these words. Okay, transitive animate though, because, okay, if I say to you, Nigii-amwaag, Ozigwaakominag Biijinaago, was the root word there, meaning that he or she is eating something animate, alive in our language. Ozigwaakominag. When you hear that ag uk as opposed to un, you know that it's animate. Like when we say pipes or pwaganak, that means it's animate. That our sacred pipes are animate in the plural form and, of course, singular form also. So if I say Nigii-amwaag Ozigwaakominag Biijinaago, I'm just saying that I ate Saskatoon berries yesterday. But I ate something animate. So it's neen to weedawa, past tense. First person to third person plural objects. Animate objects that I ate. Ozigwaakominag, Saskatoon berries. All these little particularities of our language you have to know if you're going to speak it properly, eh? The only reason why I make the effort to try to learn all this stuff is I find streaming boring. My cousin's going to bingo and talking about pedestrian things boring. But I don't find our language boring. You know, I wish my mom was able to teach me as a first speaker, but my story is no different than most of you's language shame, because you used to get hit in day school all the time for speaking our language. And also our language is devalued. That's why not even our own people are trying hard to save Nigii-amwaag. Our people are brainwashed to think our language is not important. It's not just the Monia Sakimi Tagoshiok or the Shagana Sak that are oppressing our language. We're oppressing the language ourselves. We're letting it die on our watch. Because generations were brainwashed to think that our language doesn't matter anymore. And so how come we have to do something to turn that tide before it dies? Because in southern Manitoba, where I live, we're about 15 to 20 years away from the language going moribund. Once the baby boomers go and the generation after that, the mid-generation, the ones that are about 10, 15 years younger. That's how close our language is to dying. Okay, I'm sorry, that's enough for now. So just those differences of how when you're eating something animate and inanimate, you have to always make those to discern and to understand what the proper words are and the relations are. I'm sorry.